Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest technologies and advancements in the world of computing. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting new development from Microsoft, the Quantum Development Kit. The Microsoft Quantum Development Kit is a set of tools and resources that enable developers to build quantum applications using the power of quantum computing. With the kit, you can create quantum algorithms and run them on a local simulator or on Azure Quantum, Microsoft's cloud-based quantum computing service. Before we dive into the Quantum Development Kit, let's first understand what quantum computing is. Quantum computing is a new form of computing that utilizes the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations. Unlike classical computers, which use bits to represent information, quantum computers use qubits, which can represent multiple states at the same time. The Microsoft Quantum Development Kit comes with several features that make it a powerful tool for building quantum applications. Some of these features include quantum libraries. The Quantum Development Kit comes with a set of libraries that contain pre-built quantum algorithms and functions, making it easy for developers to get started with quantum computing. Quantum language. The Quantum Development Kit also comes with a new programming language called Q#, which is specifically designed for quantum computing. Q# is similar to other programming languages like C# and Python, making it easy for developers to learn. The Quantum Development Kit includes a local simulator that allows you to run quantum programs on your local machine. This is a great way to test your quantum algorithms before running them on a quantum computer. Azure Quantum. In addition to the local simulator, the Quantum Development Kit also supports Azure Quantum, Microsoft's cloud-based quantum computing service. With Azure Quantum, you can run quantum programs on a real quantum computer. So, why should you use the Microsoft Quantum Development Kit? Well, here are some benefits of using the kit. The Quantum Development Kit is a great tool for learning about quantum computing. With the kit, you can experiment with quantum algorithms and learn how quantum computing works. Development. If you're a developer, the Quantum Development Kit can help you build quantum applications and explore the potential of quantum computing. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, which means there's a lot of potential for innovation. With the Quantum Development Kit, you can be at the forefront of this new technology and explore the possibilities of quantum computing. Overall, the Microsoft Quantum Development Kit is a powerful tool for anyone interested in quantum computing. Whether you're a student, a developer, or an innovator, the Quantum Development Kit has something to offer. So, if you're interested in quantum computing, be sure to check out the Microsoft Quantum Development Kit. Thanks for watching.